Electronics and Communication Engineering, GATE 2017 Set 2. For the network shown, the equivalent Thevenin resistance across PQ is dash. This is a numerical answer type question. For a detailed lecture on this concept, please refer the NPTEL lecture, Module 1, Lecture 10, Thevenin and Norton Theorem and Equivalent Circuits by Dr. Nagendra Krishnapura, IIT Madras. Let's have a look at the Thevenin's theorem in order to solve this problem. The Thevenin's theorem states that it is possible to simplify any linear circuit to an equivalent circuit with just one single voltage source and a series resistance connected to the load. So, any complicated network can be replaced as a series network of a voltage source, which is Thevenin's voltage, and a series resistance, which is the Thevenin's resistance, connected to a load. Let's make use of this concept and solve this problem. In this problem, the Thevenin equivalent resistance across the terminals P and Q is asked. So when we look at the network from this perspective, we have one dependent source and one independent source. This dependent source depends on the current that is passing through this resistor. So in such a scenario, we just can't nullify the power sources and then find out the resistance. So we will first find out the short circuit current and the Thevenin equivalent voltage, whereby we can find RTh by VTh divided by the short circuit current. First, let us find out the short circuit current. For that, we will short the terminals P and Q, and the current that flows through this short is the short circuit current. Once we short this, the current I0 becomes 0 and hence this dependent source becomes 0 volt. So as a result, there is no potential between this 1 ohm resistance. The current will pass through this and from that it will pass through the shorter terminals of PQ, then it will go through this 1 ohm resistor. So there is no current passing through this 1 ohm resistor and no current is passing through this 1 ohm resistor. Therefore, across this 10 volt source, we have a 1 ohm resistor, and through two different shortest parts, we have another 1 ohm resistor. This current is the short circuit current. Therefore, the short circuit current is equal to 10 volt divided by 1 ohm. This is 10 ampere. Now we have found out this. Let's find out the Thevenin equivalent voltage. The Thevenin equivalent voltage is the voltage that appears across these two terminals. The current of I0 passes through this resistance. Therefore, VTh is equal to I0 into 1 ohm. Let's find I0. For that, let us apply KVL through this outer loop. So according to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the equation becomes 10 plus 3 I0 minus I0 is equal to 0. So this implies that I0 is equal to minus 10 ampere. Therefore, the Thevenin equivalent voltage is equal to minus 10 ampere into 1 ohm, which is equal to minus 10 volt. Now we have found out the Thevenin equivalent voltage too. Therefore, the Thevenin equivalent resistance is equal to minus 10 volt divided by 10 ampere, which is minus 1 ohm. The answer is minus 1 ohm. Thank you.